drops that do escape and fall to the ground are not totally lost. The tree's huge, densely packed crown acts as a parasol. It shades the ground so effectively it allows time for the water to seep into the sand. And it also shades the network of roots that lie just under the surface. Another plant shares this parched desert, but survives in a very different way. The desert rose. In really harsh conditions, it jettisons its leaves to minimize water loss. Strangely, it chooses this time to flower. Its bulbous trunk is like a barrel that stores water all year round. It's so hardy it can grow out of bare rock. It might seem that conditions can't get much tougher for a plant than here. But for some, the conditions are even harsher. Six hours ago, here on the coast of Australia, this tree was high and dry on a sandy beach. For almost all plants, salt water is lethal, so submersion of this tree's roots by the tide twice a day should kill it. Yet this red mangrove is flourishing. The retreating tide reveals the key to surviving the sea's assault. The mangrove's roots are covered in warty growths. The growths surround pores that take in oxygen from the air when the roots are above water. But the pores become useful in a quite different way when they're submerged again. They allow water into the plant, but filter out 99% of the salt as it passes through.